Hi Primary 6, how are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome to Young Learners, Unit 5, School Life. Let's start our unit with the third lesson, the new words. Let's repeat together. Read a textbook. Read a textbook. Read a textbook. Use a computer. Use a computer. Use a computer. Do an experiment. Do an experiment. Do an experiment. Chat with friends. Chat with friends. Chat with friends. Now it's time for our structure. Do you remember our last structure about the past continuous tense? I was reading a textbook. We were doing an experiment. Let me remind you of the past continuous. It expresses something that was happening in fixed time in the past. So we can say, I was reading a textbook at 3 o'clock. Or, we were doing an experiment yesterday. Now, we will complete the past continuous with a question. To ask a question in past continuous tense, we have to get the question word as what plus was or were plus verb ing. As we can say, what were you doing at 3 o'clock? I was using a computer. Another example, we can say, what was he doing yesterday? He was chatting with friends. Or he was using a computer. Or anything else. Here are more practice. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. I space taking a test at 3 o'clock. Was, were, does, or is. Of course, the answer will be was. I was taking a test at 3 o'clock. Number 2. They were space an experiment yesterday. Did, do, doing, does. Of course, the answer will be doing. So, they were doing an experiment yesterday. Number 3. What space you doing at 6 o'clock? Was, do, were, or did. Of course, what were you doing at 6 o'clock? What were you doing at 6 o'clock? Now, this is about you. I will ask you some question and you have to answer in the past continuous tense. Question number 1. What were you doing at 3 o'clock? What were you doing at 3 o'clock? Number 2. Were you reading a textbook yesterday? Were you reading a textbook yesterday? Number 3. Was your sister making a poster? Was your sister making a poster? Please think before you answer. And your answer should be in past continuous tense. Thank you for your time. I hope you understand well. Goodbye.